And now we can have conversation together. Please answer my questions. Why do people yawn? What do you like to cuddle with on the sofa? A cushion or a blanket? Can you keep a secret? Have you ever seen someone really angry? Why is fresh air important for our health? What is one thing you do daily to stay healthy? Who typically washes the frying pan after cooking dinner in your house? What does a judge do in a courtroom? Why should you be careful with sharp objects? Do you think puppies are cute? And now create your own sentences from following words. Garage, offer, tap, clock, last. And now I'm going to read a dictation to you, so please write it down and then read it out loud. It was March and Sarah had a special task. She needed to prepare her garden for the upcoming spring. She took a short break and enjoyed a cup of tea. Suddenly, her phone rang. It was an emergency message about an approaching storm. Sarah quickly finished her tea and rushed to secure her garden. As she worked, she heard music playing nearby and saw her neighbors having a dance party. Despite the forecast of rain, they danced joyfully. When Sarah finished, she received a message from her neighbor, offering help with her garden. Grateful for the offer, she thanked them, and then they admired her beautiful garden together. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.